Good morning students. Today we are going to do question number 5 of worksheet 1 of chapter 12. In question number 5, in a factory the total number of workers are 25. We will do the sum side by side, okay? Firstly we will read one by one the statement and solve the sum, okay? In a factory, total number of workers are 25. Means total number of workers is equal to 25. We will write it like this. Next, out of them, the average monthly salary of 15 workers is rupees 8,500. It is given that average out of that 25 workers, out of these 25 workers, average monthly salary of 15 workers is rupees 8,500. Okay, we can find the total salary of 15 workers here. Average salary of 15 workers is 8,500. We can find total salary of 15 workers by multiplying these two. Okay, by multiplying these two we can find total salary of 15 workers. Okay, now the other 10 workers have an average salary of rupees 9,800. It is given that out of 25, next 10 workers have average salary of next 10 workers is rupees 9,800. Okay, we can find total salary of 10 workers by multiplying these two. Clear? We will multiply these two, we will get this 98,000. Now you have to find the monthly average salary of 25 workers. Clear? 25 workers are there. You have to find the average salary of these 25 workers. We find total salary of 15 workers, this. Total salary of 10 workers, this. We can add these two salaries of 15 and 10 workers. Total salary of 25 workers, that is 15 plus 10. Okay, 25 workers these are. We can add these two salaries. After adding we will get this answer. Okay, now monthly average salary. Okay, monthly average salary of 25 workers we can write here of 25 workers equal to total salary upon number of workers. Clear? Now total salary is this, number of workers 25. After dividing we can find this answer. This is the average salary of 25 workers. Okay. Question number 6 is the average salary of 19 workers in a factory is rupees 12,000 per month. If the salary of the manager is rupees this per month, find the average monthly salary paid to all the employees. Here average salary of 19 workers is given to you, and that is 12,000. We can write it as average salary of 19 workers is equal to rupees 12,000. Okay, we can find sum of salary, or you can write total salary of 19 workers. Here you can write sum of salary or total salary of 19 workers is equal to, you can multiply these two, 12,000 multiply 19, we will get answer this. Next is salary of manager is given to you. Salary of manager is rupees 42,000. Okay, it is given to you 19 workers and one manager. Total employees in that factory, total number of employees 19 plus 1, we can write 19 workers and one manager, 20 employees total. And average total salary of all these employees means 19 workers salary is this and managers salary is this. We can add these salaries. We can write here total salary including manager, or you can write total salary of workers including manager. Both are correct. You can add these two, we will get answer this. Okay, now it is asked that find the average monthly salary paid to all the employees. We know that there are total 20 employees. Average monthly salary is equal to total salary divided by total number of employees. Total salary we found here, it is 2,70,000 and divided by 20 employees were there. After dividing we get answer. This means this is the average monthly salary of the employees of that factory. Okay, this is the answer. Now question number 10 is in a certain hospital the mean birth rate of a week was 35. Mean birth rate of a week means 7 days is equal to 35. Mean birth rate of 7 days is given 35. We can find total number of births in 7 days. Okay, we can find total number of births in 7 days. We will multiply these two. We will get the answer this. Okay, next is given if the mean birth rate from Monday to Thursday was 32. Mean birth rate from Monday to Thursday. Monday to Thursday means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days are there. Mean birth rate of 4 days is 32. It is given to you. You can find total number of births in 4 days. Clear? By multiplying these two, we can get total number of births in 4 days. 4 days means from Monday to Thursday. Clear? 128 we got. Next is given and that of Thursday to Sunday was 36. Means mean birth rate of 4 days. 4 days means from Thursday to Sunday. It is given that from Thursday to Sunday mean birth rate is given that is 36. Means Thursday to Sunday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days, again 4 days. 4 days you can write here mean birth rate of 4 days is equal to 36. You can find total number of births in 4 days. Clear? We can multiply these two. 36 multiply 4, 144 we got. Here see total number of births in 7 days. 7 days birth is given here. We found or whatever. Here we find number of births in 4 days, Monday to Thursday, and next in 4 days from Thursday to Sunday means 4 plus 4, 8 days number of births we found here. We got here of 8 days. Means which day is repeated? Thursday, Thursday. Thursday is twice. Okay, 2 times Thursday is counted. We can write here because Thursday's birth rate is given twice. Okay, Thursday they counted here and Thursday they counted here also. Means twice they Thursday came. We can write Thursday's birth rate is given twice. We can, here it is asked that find the number of births on Thursday. You have to find the number of births on Thursday of that particular day's number of births you have to find. You can find number of births on Thursday means you will add these two. Clear? You will add these two and subtract this. Means out of 8 you can subtract this. Clear? One by one you will solve. Firstly you will add these two like this. After that you will subtract 245. You get 27. This is the number of births on Thursday. Clear? In this way you can do this sum. Okay. Thank you.